and welcome back to Food by Harshu. Today we are preparing mouth-watering chicken lollipop. So let's not waste any more time and see what are the ingredients. So I've taken 6 pieces here. I washed them and paper dried them. Now I'm making a cross cut so all the marination goes inside in the meat. So right now if you want, you can pull the meat from the bone and you can make them a perfect lollipop shape. But I'm not doing that because we are trying to make an easy recipe for everyone. So this chicken is ready for marination now. Let's prepare the marination. For that we need 1.5 tablespoon green chili sauce, 1.5 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and some black pepper. Let's mix it together. Add half tablespoon cornstarch and mix it again. Now add salt and pinch of sugar. Now we can add the chicken into marination, nicely coat it. Now next goes in 1 whole egg. Nicely coat and mix it again. Next add half cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons cornstarch and mix it again, nicely coated with the marination. So if you think that your marination is watery, so add more cornstarch because we need a thick layer, and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Deep frying, add chicken into oil slowly. We can bake it also if you don't like fried items, so you can bake it on 350 degree for 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes turn the chicken so it will get cooked properly. And don't heat oil so much because the cover will actually burn and chicken will not cook inside. Now chicken is nicely cooked, it's ready for its seasoning. Keep it aside and let's prepare the seasoning. For seasoning we need 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 2 tablespoon chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, just skip the part. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil, add chopped onion, chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Cook this for 2 minutes for a high flame because all the Indo-Chinese items are on high flame because it gives you the smoky flavor. After 2 minutes, add the seasoning sauce and mix it well. We can add the chicken pieces. Don't mix it so much because it easily leaves the skin if you keep turning it. So be careful with that. Now add some salt, adjust to your taste, and sprinkle some black pepper powder. Looks ready now. Garnishing, sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander and serve it with your favorite sauce. It goes best with the Szechuan sauce. I hope you like the recipe. Please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you will be notified when we post. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.